Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today we shall be looking at Euro USD on the daily time frame, and we shall be talking about 5 things to look for before placing a trade. The first thing that you want to pay attention to is market structure. Identify the market structure, and the best way to do this is to specify the type of market. Is it an uptrend, downtrend, or the market is in consolidation? We can see here that the market is on a downtrend, as the market was making higher lows and lower lows. The second thing that we are going to look at is area of value. Area of value is the second thing that we are going to look at. Potential buying and selling pressure. It doesn't matter if the market is on a downtrend. It can go into consolidation like here. So you want to look for area of value. And there are numerous ways to define the area of value. It can be support and resistance, trend line, moving average, and many more. Let me show you what I mean. We have a resistance. We have another resistance here. We have another one here. Let's do the EMA. We shall be using the 50 EMA. Perfect. And lastly, the trend line. Trend line here. The third thing that we shall be looking at is entry trigger. This is where you shall be placing your trade. After identifying the area of value, now this is a point where you enter the market. Let me show you common entry trigger that we can use. This could be our entry trigger because the EMA coincides with this trend line and resistance level that was previously support here. Now, after we have identified our entry trigger, the fourth thing that you shall be taking into consideration is exit if you are wrong. In other words, the stop loss. Where should you put your stop loss? After what level will the market prove you wrong? If the market goes beyond our previous higher low, then the trade is invalidated. This was our higher low, this one here. So our stop loss should be somewhere here. Lastly, the last thing that you should be looking at is exit if you're right, the take profit. How do we determine our take profit? We can determine our take profit using 50 EMA, or alternatively, we can use price action to determine our take profit. If we are going to use the 50 EMA, we wait for the market to touch the 50 EMA, like here. This is our entry trigger. Then wait for the market to touch the 50 EMA here. This would be our take profit here. Alternatively, if we opt to use the price action, as long as the market stays below the previous lower low, we are still on a downtrend. When the market breaks the previous lower low, we exit. This is our we have our low here, lower low, lower low here, lower low here. Now, the market broke the previous lower low here. This will be our take profit if we use the price action. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.